Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm personally still calling this a big 1, 2, 3, even though that candle is turning into a spike candle. That candle really doesn't close for over a week, so I mean this actually may end up closing near its highs. And I actually think that it is very possible that this is going to keep on going up to the 161.8, which is around the $2,550 area before it makes a wave 4 and it makes a big wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, yeah, it definitely has pushed down pretty hard, but I still think this is a wave 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I think this is a wave 3 right here. So 1, 2, 3, probably 4, 5, and then head up towards that $2,500 area. So it's most likely a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think we are in a wave 4 on the daily, but that's just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend on the higher time frames. I still think it looks like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and I still think it needs to go up to at least around that $2,500 area for a wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now there's always a possibility this keeps going down. I mean anything is possible, especially with gold. But I personally am looking at this as 3 waves down. I'm looking at this as 1 up, 3 down, 1 up. So 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So 3, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. I think this is a 3, 3, 5 pattern. I think this first push up could be a wave 1. I think this could be a wave 2, and I think it's likely that it could go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 over the next week, which will possibly cause that monthly candle to not have a big spike like it does right now when it closes next week. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we do have a pretty clear break of structure, and this is definitely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. I think we have the end of a trend right here, and this trend could be a wave C. And if that's the case, that means that this is a 1. That means that this right here is an A, 3 waves up for a B, and that we are possibly in a wave C right now of wave 2. I would be watching these Fibonacci retracement levels very closely because if we get a big engulfing move at one of those levels, I would definitely take it as a long because at that point it probably would be a wave 3 and it probably would start making its way up towards that $2,500 area. My next target is actually around the 2440, right around the 138.3. Yeah, 138.3 Fibonacci extension right here. My next actual target on gold is right around the $2,437 area. I think there's a good chance that this could eventually, over the next week or so, end up looking something like this for a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. Probably still part of a wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to my daily swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.